Hey friends and clients, this is Dale Corpus over at eXp Realty. So the holidays are right around the corner, and I don't know about you, but it's still a little bit too early to be thinking about Thanksgiving or Christmas. But you know what's not too early to be thinking about is your spending and how you could be saving money so that when the holidays do roll around, you're set up for success. And that's why I wanted to share these 4 apps with you below. The first 2 apps are about helping you replenish your savings and tracking that through these apps. And the other 2 are ways to save money while you're shopping and on the food that you're eating when you're out. So I wanted to make sure that these apps are available to you. So take a look at them when you can, because there's incredible value on them. Just click on the link and it'll bring you to the website to download them. I don't have an affiliate relationship with them, nor am I connected to either of these companies. I just thought you'd find them valuable. And if there's any apps that you feel are useful, that you find valuable, please message me back. Would love to know what you're using. Have a fantastic October, and I wish you well this fall season. Talk to you soon.